Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's video we are going from Amritsar to our hometown to meet my father and mother, and we are having some function going on there, and we captured amazing views over there. So stay tuned with us so that we can show you all the views that we captured over there. Thank you. Hello everyone. So you saw there is a lot of parrots, and in my place there's a part going on, and we capture a lot of amazing views. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more such video and hit the bell icon.